Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Maldi-Tof MS, a mouthful of a name that stands for Matrix-Assisted Laser Desorption Ionization Time-of-Flight Mass Spectrometry. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Imagine a tiny scale that can weigh molecules, the building blocks of everything around us. That's essentially what Maldi-Tof MS does. It's a powerful technique that allows scientists to identify different molecules based on their mass. But how does it work? First, we mix our sample with a special material called a matrix. This matrix helps absorb laser energy. Think of it like putting your sample on a tiny launch pad. Then, a laser beam blasts the sample, vaporizing it and giving the molecules an electric charge, turning them into ions. These charged molecules are then accelerated through a long tube called a flight tube. Just like a race, lighter molecules will travel faster and reach the detector first, while heavier molecules lag behind. By measuring the time it takes for each molecule to reach the detector, we can determine its mass and identify it. It's like molecular fingerprinting. This whole process happens incredibly fast, in just a matter of milliseconds. And that's Maldi-Tof MS in a nutshell. It's a technique that's revolutionizing many fields of science, from medicine to forensics and beyond. Now that we know how Maldi-Tof MS works, let's talk about why it's such a game changer. This technique has a lot going for it, making it a favorite tool for scientists worldwide. First off, it's incredibly fast. Remember that molecular race we talked about? It happens in the blink of an eye, allowing scientists to analyze numerous samples in a short amount of time. This high-throughput screening is invaluable in fields like drug discovery, where time is of the essence. Secondly, Maldi-Tof MS is very sensitive. It can detect even the tiniest amounts of a molecule, making it ideal for analyzing trace evidence in forensic investigations or identifying rare proteins in biological samples. Plus, it doesn't require a lot of sample preparation, saving time and resources. Another advantage is its versatility. Maldi-Tof MS can be used to analyze a wide range of molecules, from small molecules like drugs and metabolites to large biomolecules like proteins and peptides. This makes it an incredibly versatile tool with applications in various fields. And here's the best part, Maldi-Tof MS is a non-destructive technique. That means the sample remains intact after analysis, allowing for further investigation if needed. It's like having your cake and eating it too. With its speed, sensitivity, versatility, and non-destructive nature, Maldi-Tof MS is a real game changer, providing scientists with a powerful tool to unlock the secrets of the molecular world. One of the most impactful applications of Maldi-Tof MS is in clinical diagnostics, where it's revolutionizing the way we identify and treat diseases. Let's take a closer look at how this amazing technology is making a difference in healthcare. One of the key uses of Maldi-Tof MS in hospitals is for rapid pathogen identification. Imagine a patient comes in with a serious infection. Time is of the essence to determine the culprit bacteria and administer the right antibiotics. Traditional methods can take days to grow and identify bacteria, but Maldi-Tof MS can do it in just a matter of hours, enabling faster and more effective treatment. But that's not all. Maldi-Tof MS is also used to diagnose genetic disorders, identify biomarkers for diseases like cancer, and even monitor patients' response to treatment. By analyzing the proteins and other molecules present in blood or tissue samples, doctors can get a clearer picture of what's happening inside the body and make more informed decisions about patient care. The use of Maldi-Tof MS in clinical diagnostics is not only improving patient outcomes, but also making healthcare more efficient. Faster diagnosis means shorter hospital stays, reduced healthcare costs, and ultimately, a healthier population. Section 4. Beyond the hospital, Maldi-Tof in diverse scientific fields. While Maldi-Tof MS has undoubtedly revolutionized clinical diagnostics, its applications extend far beyond the walls of a hospital. Let's explore how this versatile technology is being used in other fascinating areas of science. In the field of proteomics, the study of proteins, Maldi-Tof MS is a cornerstone technology. By analyzing the complex mixture of proteins present in cells, tissues, and organisms, scientists can gain valuable insights into the inner workings of life. This knowledge is crucial for understanding disease processes, developing new drugs, and even unraveling the mysteries of evolution. Environmental monitoring is another area where Maldi-Tof MS is making a big impact. It can be used to identify pollutants in water and soil samples, monitor air quality, and even track the spread of harmful algal blooms. This information is vital for protecting our planet and ensuring a healthy environment for generations to come. But wait, there's more. Maldi-Tof MS is also used in food safety to detect contaminants and verify the authenticity of food products. In biotechnology, it plays a vital role in drug discovery, biofuel production, and the development of new biomaterials. And in forensic science, it's used for everything from analyzing trace evidence at crime scenes to identifying unknown substances. As you can see, Maldi-Tof MS is a true scientific all-rounder, impacting numerous fields and helping us solve complex problems. Section 5. Ensuring a safer tomorrow, Maldi-Tof in environmental and food safety. Let's dive deeper into how Maldi-Tof MS is contributing to a safer and healthier future for all of us, starting with its role in environmental protection. With growing concerns about pollution and climate change, monitoring our environment has never been more critical. Maldi-Tof MS offers a rapid and accurate way to identify pollutants in various environmental matrices, including water, soil, and air. For instance, it can detect heavy metals, pesticides, and industrial chemicals that can contaminate our water resources and pose serious health risks. By pinpointing the source and extent of contamination, scientists can develop effective remediation strategies to protect both human and ecological health. In the food industry, Maldi-Tof MS plays a crucial role in ensuring food safety and authenticity. It can rapidly identify bacterial contamination in food products, preventing outbreaks of foodborne illnesses. This is particularly important for vulnerable populations like the elderly and those with compromised immune systems. But it's not just about safety. Maldi-Tof MS also helps to combat food fraud. By analyzing the protein and chemical profiles of food products, scientists can verify their authenticity and origin, ensuring that consumers are getting what they paid for. This is becoming increasingly important in a globalized food market where counterfeiting and mislabeling are sadly becoming more common. From monitoring pollution to ensuring food safety, Maldi-Tof MS is proving to be an invaluable tool for safeguarding our environment and our health. Section 6. A bright future, the expanding horizons of Maldi-Tof MS. As we've seen, Maldi-Tof MS is a powerful and versatile technology with a wide range of applications. But the story doesn't end there. Scientists are constantly finding new and innovative ways to utilize this technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. One exciting area of development is the miniaturization of Maldi-Tof MS instruments. Imagine handheld devices that can perform rapid analysis in the field, whether it's identifying pathogens at a patient's bedside or detecting contaminants in food products on site. This would revolutionize many industries, making testing faster, more accessible, and less expensive. Another promising area of research is the integration of Maldi-Tof MS with other analytical techniques such as imaging and separation methods. This would allow scientists to obtain even more detailed information about complex samples, leading to a deeper understanding of biological processes and disease mechanisms. The future of Maldi-Tof MS is bright, with endless possibilities for innovation and discovery. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking applications emerge, transforming various fields and improving our world in countless ways. So stay tuned, science fans, because the best is yet to come.